Hello everyone, this is Gayathri Sarun, and in this video we will have a look about banking awareness part 2. And in this video we will have a detailed study about Reserve Bank of India and structure of Reserve Bank of India, and also we will have a look about important sections of RBI Act 1934 and structure of RBI as well. Okay, in the first part of banking awareness I have clearly explained how the RBI got established. So again we will have an overview about this. In 1926, a person called Hilton Young has submitted a report in which there should be a central bank in our country which will govern all other banks, and it will be the same will not be utilized by the common people. Okay, so as a result of this report, in 1934 RBI Act was established, and after the RBI Act establishment in 1st of April 1935, Reserve Bank of India was established. So the main functions of the Reserve Bank of India will be they are the currency issuer, and they'll maintain all bank accounts and monitoring all banks, like they are whether they are working properly and they are maintaining all the protocols properly. Like that they'll govern all other banks. Okay, it will be, as already said, it will not be utilized by the common people. Okay, and while in the year of 1935, when the RBI got established, it got established as a private sector bank with a capital, authorized capital of 5 crore, and its headquarters is in Calcutta. Okay, in 1937 the headquarters got shifted to Mumbai, and in 1948, based on RBI transfer of ownership, the RBI Transfer of Ownership Act got established, and in 1949 RBI got nationalized and it became a statutory body. I already explained what is nationalization. Whenever the bank, for example, RBI got introduced as a private bank, which was handled by the private organization, joint stock bank, group of private people. Okay, when the bank is come under a government of India control, it will be a nationalized bank. So in 1949 RBI got nationalized and became a statutory body. So I'll explain you what is statutory body. Any organization which was established under an act and work as a regulator of a particular system. Okay, here any organization which is nothing but RBI, and which was established under an act which is nothing but RBI Act 1934, and they are the regulator of a banking system. Okay, so RBI got nationalized and became a statutory body in 1949. Okay, now we will have a look about important sections of RBI. First section is section 17, which defines the business of Reserve Bank of India. What are all the business they should be involved, and what are all the powers of RBI, like that. It will be explained in section 17 of RBI Act 1934. And next one is section 18. It describes the emergency loan to banks. Emergency loan to the banks which was provided by Reserve Bank of India. And section 22, which explains only Reserve Bank of India has exclusive rights to issue currency note in India, and they are the only sole authority to provide the currency in our country. Printing the currency and issuing the currency, the power, only authorized power is Reserve Bank of India only, which was explained in the section 22. Okay, next is section 24, and the maximum, while doing the currency printing, RBI cannot print money as such, like okay, print it 10,000 crore, print it 100,000 crore, like that they can't able to print the money. And there is a restrictions for RBI as well, and there is a norms for RBI as well for printing the currencies as well as for issuing the currencies. So section 24 defines the maximum denomination which was printed by Reserve Bank of India will be 10,000 rupees. The single note should be a 10,000 rupees. Maximum denomination should not go after 10,000 rupees. Okay. In section 28, allow RBI to form any rule regarding exchange of damaged notes. The damaged notes, which already we know that the damaged notes can be exchanged in any banks. Okay, so section 28 defines RBI can able to make any rule regardless of the exchange of damaged notes. Okay, So next one is section 42. Every scheduled bank must have an average daily balance with Reserve Bank of India. So in our upcoming videos, we will see some of the rates. Okay, bank rate, repo rate, like that. So every scheduled bank should maintain a daily balance in RBI, Reserve Bank of India, as a reserve. Okay, and it was explained, it was the right was given to Reserve Bank of India based on section 42 of RBI Act 1934. Okay, so next we will have a look about structure. Before going deep into the structure of Reserve Bank of India, we will have a glimpse about the first governors and the first every first, like that. The static banking awareness questions will be asked. No, we will have a look about that things. Okay, the first governor of Reserve Bank of India is Osborne Smith. He is a British person. Okay, first Indian governor of India is Chintamani D. Deshmukh, and he is the first Indian governor of RBI. And Osborne Smith is the first governor of RBI, who is a British person. Okay. And one more thing to be noted here is Chintamani D. Deshmukh is a youngest governor of Reserve Bank of India. And the first deputy governor is St. James Taylor. Okay, first governor of RBI is Osborne Smith, and first deputy governor is St. James Taylor. Okay, now the present governor of Reserve Bank of India is Shaktikant Das. Okay, he is the 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India. Before, we do have a 24 RBI governors, but that will not be asked in maximum, that will not be asked in banking awareness section. They can able to ask a present governor, first Indian governor, first deputy governor. So we already seen that things in the videos itself. And the tenure for the governor is minimum 3 years and it will be maximum 5 years. So the total tenure for the governor of Reserve Bank of India is 3 years minimum and maximum of 5 years. And currently the present deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India are Sri T. Ravi Shankar, M.K. Jain, M.D. Patra, and M. Rajshekhar Rao. 4 peoples are there as a deputy governor, and the 4 peoples are Ravi Shankar, M.K. Jain, Patra, and M. Rajeshwar Rao. This can be asked in the banking awareness static questions. Okay, and the tenure for deputy governor as well is 3 years minimum and 5 years maximum. The tenure for governor as well as deputy governor remains the same. Minimum is 3 years and maximum is 5 years. Okay, and next we will have a detail about offices of Reserve Bank of India. Totally all over India they have a 31 office, out of which 27 is a regional office and 4 is a sub office. So 31 office, out of which 27 regional office and 4 sub office. Okay, and now we will look into the structure of Reserve Bank of India. So in Reserve Bank of India, 21 members will be there in power. Okay, so out of which official directors will be 5 people and non-official directors will be 16 people, as we already see. So one governor and 4 deputy governor, they are the official directors. Present governor is nothing but Shaktikant Das, and deputy governor is I have previously mentioned, no, Ravi Shankar, M.K. Jain, Rajeshwar Rao, and M.D. Patra. Okay, and non-official directors are totally 16 people will be there, out of which 10 people will be appointed by Government of India. Okay, and 2 people will be from Ministry of Finance, and 4 people will be from local board heads. Local board heads in the sense, for each zone there will be a local zone heads, like for south, north, east and west there will be a local zone heads. So this 4 local board heads will be appointed, one from Delhi, one from Delhi is nothing but north, Mumbai is west, Kolkata is south, and Chennai. Okay, so 4 local board heads will be there, and they are from Delhi, 1 person from Delhi, 1 person from Mumbai, 1 person from Kolkata, and 1 person from Chennai. South 1 person, north 1 person, west 1 person, east 1 person. So totally 4 person from local board heads, and in overall 21 members, 5 people will be official directors, out of which one is the governor and 4 is deputy governor, and 16 members are from non-official directors. 10 will be appointed by government, and 2 are from Ministry of Finance, and 4 from local board heads. Okay, so hope this video will given you a clear picture about Reserve Bank of India, their functions, their establishment, and the important sections of Reserve Bank of India, and total structure of the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and in next video we will have a look about subsidiaries of RBI and functions of RBI in detail. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you people, and please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much.